Fresh from its launch at MWC 2025, the Xiaomi 15 is one of the most talked about smartphones on the market today. Though it might look identical to its predecessor, the Xiaomi 14, the brand did make upgrades to the Xiaomi 15 where it mattered. There's a new flagship chipset, upgraded cameras, well, at least a telephoto camera, and a larger battery. Best of all, it's still quite affordable for a flagship model. But how does it compare to another flagship smartphone, the OPPO Find X8? Introduced late last year, it is still one of the best bang for buck flagship smartphones on sale today. And in fact, we still enjoy using it to this very day. Well, I'm Azam from Yugatech, and let's see how the new Xiaomi 15 stacks up against the OPPO Find X8 in this comparison video. Let's start with the design of the phones. It's easy to notice that the two phones have their own unique design language. Starting with the Xiaomi 15, it looks almost identical to its predecessor, the Xiaomi 14, which is not a bad thing. The design looks great and it stands out from the rest of the phones in this price point and even from the rest of the phones on the market today. Like its predecessor, the back panel is clean apart from the square camera island located on the upper left corner. You might think the Xiaomi 15 now comes with 4 rear cameras because of the 4 circles, but don't be fooled. It still comes with a triple rear camera system. Like before, you also still have the Leica branding to give you an idea just how capable the cameras of this phone are. As for the rest of the phone, it's very much the same. The back panel uses a frosted glass material while the frame is made out of metal. Overall, it has a very premium look and not to mention feel, especially in this black color. And just like the Xiaomi 15, the OPPO Find X8 adopts a design similar to that of its predecessors. It retains the large circular camera island at the top center of the back panel, which houses the triple rear camera system. Of course, this phone's cameras are tuned by Hasselblad. Featuring a frosted glass back panel and metal frame, the Find X8 also feels premium in terms of looks and not to mention styling. Similar to the Xiaomi 15, it also adopts a minimalist design with the center of attention all focused on that circular camera island. Both phones still feature an IP68 rating for dust and water resistance, making them quite durable. However, only the Find X8 comes with Corning Gorilla Glass protection for the rear glass. But again, that's not enough for it to garner a point over the Xiaomi 15 though. With that, we'd have to say that it's a tie between the two in terms of the design aspect. I mean, style is subjective after all. But do note that the Xiaomi 15 is a much smaller phone. So if you prefer phones that aren't a bit too big like today's standards, then you might prefer the Xiaomi 15 over the Find X8. The only downside is that you also get a smaller display. Now, speaking of the display, there is a big difference between the two phones, and I mean that literally. Between the Xiaomi 15 and the OPPO Find X8, the Xiaomi comes with a smaller display measuring only 6.36 inches. In comparison, the OPPO Find X8 uses a larger 6.59-inch display, a size which is commonly found on smartphones today. But despite the size difference, both the Xiaomi 15 and OPPO Find X8 have beautiful displays using OLED panels with HDR10+ support and even Dolby Vision. Both phones also have up to 120Hz refresh rate, giving users smooth animations whether you're gaming or just watching video. However, only the Xiaomi uses a newer LTPO OLED panel, which is becoming more and more common on flagship models these days. In comparison, the Find X8 comes with a standard AMOLED panel. In terms of the visuals though, the LTPO OLED panel on the Xiaomi 15 isn't that big of a difference as compared to when you're watching stuff on the Find X8. Both phones still have vivid and saturated colors that pop on screen. The blacks can be very deep too, making it perfect if you're watching movies or series with a lot of dark scenes. Just take a look at these two and it's hard to say which one looks better. What does make a difference though is the brightness of the screen. The OPPO Find X8 has a brighter screen with a maximum peak brightness of 4500 nits. In comparison, the Xiaomi 15 only comes with a maximum of 3200 nits. While 3200 nits is more than enough, the brighter screen of the Find X8 helps a lot, especially if you're out and about in sunny weather like we have recently. Moving on to the audio, the OPPO Find X8 does have the upper hand here. Not only are the speakers louder, but they do have a better sound quality as well. Both phones do have Dolby Atmos support, but there is a clear difference in terms of quality. That's not to say the speakers of the Xiaomi 15 are bad though. The soundstage and overall tuning on the OPPO Find X8 just sound a bit better. Now as for protection, the Xiaomi 15's display is covered with Xiaomi Shield glass, while the Find X8 comes with Corning Gorilla Glass 7i. All things considered, we prefer the display of the OPPO Find X8, even though it's not an LTPO OLED panel. Apart from its larger size, it also has a higher brightness, which makes it a lot more usable when you're outdoors. Not to mention, it also comes with a better pair of speakers, making it a great package altogether, giving you that perfect combo of a nice viewing experience along with that audio experience. With that, the OPPO Find X8 scores its first point in this comparison. Moving on to the cameras, and it's here where things get really interesting. If there's one thing the Xiaomi 15 and the OPPO Find X8 are great at, it's their cameras. The Xiaomi 15 comes with a triple rear camera system comprised of a 50 megapixel main, a 50 megapixel telephoto with a new sensor, and a 50 megapixel ultrawide. All three of which are tuned by Leica, giving users the ability to capture some amazing photos. Meanwhile, the Find X8 also comes with a triple rear camera system. Just like the Xiaomi 15, it also comes with a 50 megapixel main, a 50 megapixel telephoto, and a 50 megapixel ultrawide. As I mentioned earlier, these cameras are tuned by Hasselblad, which is another big name brand when it comes to camera and photography in general. With that being said though, you can expect that both of these phones capture amazing photos out of the box. And just check out these photos captured by both the Xiaomi 15 and the OPPO Find X8 to see for yourself. All of the photos are sharp, no matter what lighting condition you're in. They also have good contrast and clarity. The colors are quite vivid too, but not too saturated that they look unnatural. While going through these photos, you can tell that the most obvious difference between these two cameras is the tones, and rather how the phones process them. Out of the box, the Xiaomi 15 shoots warmer colors as compared to the OPPO Find X8, which has cooler tones. This is more obvious when you compare the low light images we were able to capture. Speaking of low light, it's here where we notice that the Xiaomi 15 processes images with more contrast, giving a moodier image. Now, that's not to say that the Find X8 images aren't sharp though, it just looks a bit more natural compared to the images processed by the Xiaomi 15. Interestingly though, the Xiaomi 15 captures with better zoom images as compared to the Find X8. At the same 5x zoom, there's a lot more detail retained. Even if you zoom in the zoom photo, it's still clear with the Xiaomi 15, while you'll start to notice a drop in quality on the OPPO Find X8. Just goes to show that the new telephoto sensor really helps a lot. Now, as for the video, it's a similar story in terms of output. However, the Xiaomi 15 is capable of recording up to 8K at 30 FPS, while the Find X8 is limited to just 4K at 60 FPS. Check out the sample here to see for yourself and see what we mean. So with that, the Xiaomi 15 scores its first point in this comparo, making it a tie, thanks to its new improved telephoto and even the video. Under the hood, the Xiaomi 15 and the OPPO Find X8 uses chipsets from rival brands. The Xiaomi 15 uses the latest Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, which is found on the latest flagship models. Meanwhile, the OPPO Find X8 packs a MediaTek Dimensity 9400 chipset, which is another heavy-hitting chip. With that, you can expect both phones to handle almost anything you throw at them. Whether it's everyday tasks or even heavy gaming, these two phones can do it all. Not to mention they have plenty of RAM too, up to 16 gigabytes for both the Xiaomi 15 and the OPPO Find X8. Now, based on our testing, both phones do still have heating issues when playing heavy games for extended periods of time. But since they're both very capable of running any application thrown at them, we'll let the benchmark numbers be the judge. On Antutu, the Xiaomi 15 was able to score higher with a result of over 2.2 million. However, that's not that big of a gap compared to the OPPO Find X8, which scored almost 2.1 million. It's a similar story when you check out the rest of the benchmarks, except for the GPU scores being higher on the OPPO Find X8. So that means if you're playing games, it's a lot easier on the phone. But overall, it's a bit hard to say that one phone outperforms the other. More importantly, they perform exceptionally well with their chipsets in terms of real-world use. So for this segment, it's a tie once more. Last, we have to talk about the battery. On paper, the OPPO Find X8 has the bigger battery with a 5630 mAh silicon carbon battery pack. Meanwhile, the Xiaomi 15 has a slightly smaller 5240 mAh battery pack, so you'd expect the Find X8 to last longer, right? Well, that's not the case. In fact, the Xiaomi 15 easily beats the OPPO Find X8 in terms of battery life. Based on PCMark's battery test, the Xiaomi 15 was able to record 21 hours and 55 minutes, while the OPPO Find X8 only lasted 14 hours and 48 minutes. That's a 7-hour difference, which is huge considering the tests were done with the same settings. When it's time to recharge the battery, the Xiaomi 15 also has a slight advantage, giving you more juice a lot faster, 90-watt wired and 50-watt wireless. In comparison, the OPPO Find X8 features 80-watt wired and 50-watt wireless charging. With this, the Xiaomi 15 takes the final point in this comparison with its extra long battery life. So it's a close battle between the Xiaomi 15 and the OPPO Find X8, with the Xiaomi taking the W at the end of the day. However, there's one more thing we have to talk about before we end this video. The price. The Xiaomi 15 starts at 45,999 pesos for the 12 plus 256GB variant, while the OPPO Find X8 starts at 54,999 pesos. Granted, they're both expensive, but the Xiaomi does offer a lot more. But the downside is that you do have to work with a smaller screen. On the other hand, the OPPO Find X8 does have a larger screen, better audio quality, but you do end up sacrificing battery life. Whichever one you pick though, you won't be disappointed with either phones when it comes to performance and, more importantly, the cameras. For this comparison, are you team OPPO or are you team Xiaomi? Share your thoughts in the comments down below. And of course, if you found this video informative or enjoyed it, please do drop a like and subscribe to watch more. Don't forget to follow us on our social media platforms, that's Facebook, Instagram, X, and TikTok. And of course, visit yugatech.com to stay updated with the latest tech news and reviews. By the way, you can read our full review of both of these phones now live on the Yugatech website if you want to know more about them, and we'll also drop them down in the description down below. So, once again, this has been Jose, and I'll see you guys in the next video.